Well, T2, here we are again, just like last year. Two lonely old bachelors giving out Halloween candy to kids again.
That is not true, T1. Since we started taking MAGAMAN, I feel a lot better, a lot younger than I did last Halloween.
Trick or treat.
Happy Halloween.
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
You know something, T2? You are right. I feel rejuvenated too. MAGAMAN is really helping us.
Yep, we do feel better. And I think we have a renewed confidence that will help us get lucky real soon.
T2, you have always been the optimistic one. I sure hope you are right.
Trick or treat! Word got around, 2 MAGAMAN were here giving out treats. I see now it's true.
We came by to see if you MAGAMAN would like to learn some new Halloween tricks. Can we come inside and see how tall y'all really stand with MAGAMAN?